Hello and welcome. I'm Jack from PopcornSAR sales team. This video is about practicing using ReadyTech, the educational platform we will use. The first chapter is how to open an example by running PopcornSAR-IO. When we read an instruction, we use a tool called ReadyTech. First, log into the ReadyTech and click the left button. Then, open the configuration file and play the virtual machine, so you can see the desktop for Ubuntu. There should be some files that we downloaded in advance. Open up the IO folder, run the PopcornSAR-IO file. In order to carry out the examples, make the new PopcornSAR project. Put the ARXML file in the same folder into the project just made. The examples appears clearly on the screen, and you can see a variety of designer features from the menu. After completing the design, you can make manifest files and C++ code by using Para, which is our another product. You can verify the details of manifest files and C++ code instantly. This chapter is how to run Para examples. First, open in terminal. Enter the location where a pre-downloaded example of Para is located. Then, replicate an example of Para. Because Docker is running now, stop running and remove in order to restart Docker. Once the elimination is completed, restart Docker, including the root in the example. After home, type the PC's username and then write down the location of the example of Para. If it runs normally, it will look like this. Run Visual Studio Code when Docker runs again. Press F1 to select Remote SSH Connect to Host, and then click Popcorn ID. Enter 1234 when a password entry space is created at the top. Click Open Folder and enter Home PopcornSAR work. Enter the password again and click Yes. Then you can check the examples. The last chapter is how run virtual ECU. Open in terminal in Popcorn IDE environment. Enter these codes to pull the image compatible with the Raspberry Pi 4 environment. And then go inside the Docker container. Currently, this terminal is located inside the Docker container, so open up the new terminal again. Replicate files from the Docker container and paste to this terminal. And then go inside the Docker container at this terminal as well. Enter these codes in both terminals to extract the files in Docker container and enter the bin folder. Turn on skeleton at the first terminal and turn on proxy at the second terminal. When both sides are switched on, both terminals are constantly communicating and returning. This concludes the demonstration using ReadyTech. Thanks for watching. Please visit our website for more information.